Hi, my name's Brooke with WTI. Do you ever struggle with hair that gets tangled or ratty or just looks a little dull the next day after you clean it? Well, check out L'Oreal's Blow Dry Fluidifier. This is excellent at fine hair, my hair as well, as long as my daughter's hair, for just making our hair less matted and easier to manage and looking overall more vibrant, beautiful, a little more conditioned and shined. It's just a little thing we can do right after we shower. Put it in our hair. You can leave it in your hair wet, or you definitely can put it in your hair and then blow dry your hair afterwards. But either way, it really makes a big difference with my daughter's hair. If I don't use this, she wakes up and her beautiful long golden hair is just matted and I have to brush out these horrible knots. So to be more preventative and also to keep it way more manageable, this is such a great product to use. Another benefit is the way that it smells. It smells so good, and the smell of this just makes you feel clean. It smells like a salon, and I actually was told by the woman that did my hair to buy this. So now my hair smells good, looks better, and feels more hydrated. So this is a wonderful option if you're looking for softer, easier, manageable hair. And that's my point of view.